Okay, so today we're actually going to be looking at geography June 2022 advanced level. So we are going to look at geography, all the question and answers. So when you get your GCE paper, make sure that you check the center number and the center name, candidate number, candidate name, and make sure you fill all of that because it's very important. So right now, let's go right into the questions and all the answers for the revisions, past question, GC advanced level, geography 2022. So right now, let's start. It says identify the pairs of atmospheric layers in which temperature decreases with height. Correct answer is A, which is the troposphere and mesosphere. When does stability occur in the atmosphere? Correct answer is A, when a rising parcel of air cools faster than the surrounding air. 3. Identify any pair of conditions necessary for condensation to take place. Correct answer is B, which is dew point and increase in temperature. Following the following characteristics describe the tropical continental climate. Identify the correct characteristic. Correct answer for 4 is B, which is concentration of rainfall only in the wet season. Why does the climate of the South Cameroon low plateau have two periods of high rainfall, double maxima per year? Correct answer for 5 is D, which is presence of the rainforest and high atmosphere humidity. Question 6. Which type of hydrograph has the following characteristics? Moderately steep rising limb, fairly prolonged peak duration, and very gentle falling limb. Correct answer for 6 is B, which is subdued hydrograph. Figure 1 shows a drainage basin network of a river in the western highlands of Cameroon. Isolate from the list below the number of streams found in the second order of the basin. The correct answer for seventh is C, which is 5. Identify a major geological change which occurred during the Mesozoic area. Correct answer is C, which is split up of supercontinent into proto-continents. The theory which explains how old basalts give way to the new basalts as more and more materials are deposited is correct answer for 9 is C, which is sea floor spreading. Question 10. An extensive volcano with parasitic uh, corners having step like flanks and capable of ejecting both basic and acid lava at different episodes of eruption. Best describes. Correct answer is B, composite cone. Which relief region of Cameroon has the following characteristics? So, question 11 answer is A, the Western Highlands. The downhill movements of rock and earth due to pull of gravity describes. Correct answer is B, which is mass wasting. The following features occur along the long profile of the river. Correct answer for 13 is C, which is its ox ball looks IV float plains and Y. So the correct answer is C, right? 14. Material is moved along a beach by the process of, correct answer is B, longshore drift. In Cameroon, which of the following is a correct orientation of the Cameroon volcanic line? Correct answer for 15 is C, which is SW minus NE. A component of soil that constitutes the major determinant of soil level and fertility is, correct answer for 16 is B, which is organic matter. A translocation process responsible for the formation of chromosomes in is, correct answer for 17 is A, which is elevation. Figure 2 shows soil formation in a certain geological region of the Earth's surface. So they say identify the soil type and pedogenic regime that tie with the above illustration. Correct answer for 18 is A, which is ferrolitic and fertilization. 19. In a very dense forest, a road construction company excavated a steep slope site, erecting an artificial scarp of 15-meter high. The top of the profile was darkish brown, but soon became brownish red, then layerish further down with very fine sticky clay. This profile is that of, correct answer is B, which is ferritic soil. B is the correct answer, ferritic soil. Take note. Let's continue. Study figure 3, which shows model of nutrient cycling in an ecosystem. Correct answer for 20. He said, which of the following reasons explain the large arrow between biomass and litter in the Targa ecosystem? Correct answer for 20 is C, which is the effect of winter and litter fall from trees to adapt to climate. So it continues, it says, identify the correct order through which plant communities change over time. Correct answer for 21 is D, colonization, consolidation, invasion, and competition. Identify the type of biome which these characteristics pattern. Presence of many species. Trees are stratified, thick and continuous canopy. Large trees with tall and branchless broad trunks. Correct answer for 22 is C, which is equatorial rainforest. It occurs when there are unusual strong traits or easterly flow and low surface temperatures in central and eastern tropical Pioneer. So it says it's a natural weather phenomenon that occurs in the Pacific Ocean when ocean surface temperatures become warmer along the coast of Peru and Ecuador. Korean Server 23 is A, which is La Lina El Nino. Below are causes of floods. Isolate the climatic causes. Correct answer is C, which is rain and snow belt. Desertation is a man-induced environmental problem with many consequences. What is a major cause of desertation? Correct answer for 25 is C, which is overgrazing. Section B. A number of factors account for the dense population of the coastal lowlands of Cameroon. Pick out the most influential factor from the list below. Correct answer is A, which is presence of industries attracting job seekers. Select the group of demographic factors which can all cause a change in the shape of the population pyramid of a country over time. Correct answer for 27 is C, which is changes in birth rate, death rate, and migration. Low birth rates, low death rates, and a regressive population pyramid are all characteristics of which stage of the demographic transition model. Correct answer for 28 is B, low expanding phase. The population of a given locality in 1990 recorded 23,400 births, 21,507 deaths, and 7,000 people came in and 10,000 people traveled out of the area. Calculate the natural change of the population for that year. Correct answer is A, 1,893. Short distances usually record higher number of migrants than longer distances according to GCE. What reason deters migrants from embarking on long-distance journey? Correct answer is D. Less risks are involved. Study figure 4 below, which shows the volume of migration between towns A, B, and C. Identify the pair of towns between which the volume of migration will be greatest. Correct answer for 31 is C, which is A and B. So A and B migration is going to be greatest. When a population is above carrying capacity, how is the state of resources affected? Correct answer for 32 is C. Resources are used at the same rate as they are exploited. Isolate from the list below the characteristics that pertains to extensive commercial farming. Correct answer is D, highly mechanized. What name is given to the point where one land use pattern is replaced by another? Correct answer is D, rent line. A weight gain industry will likely choose a location closer to. Correct answer for 35 is C, the source of raw materials. Why would an industry located in an isolated area be encouraged to join an industrial agglomeration? Correct answer is C, availability of skilled labor pool. Which transport network does figure 5 represent? Correct answer is C, traveling salesman. The composition and volume of trade between two countries is best determined by. Correct answer is A, level of economic development, international trade blocks. Which of the following is a stronger reason why, despite the abundance of raw materials in Cameroon, industrial growth is slow? Correct answer is B. Over reliance on foreign goods. The outward movement of some old established industries from the Bassa Douala Industrial Center to the Dimbombar area is most likely due to, the correct answer for 40 is C. Need for space for expansion. What factor will influence the choice of location for a pioneer grazing commodity? Correct answer for 41 is C. Available pastures. 42. What are the extreme values of the nearest neighbor index? Correct answer for 42 is A. Right? A is the correct answer. A village that develops in halves at the foot and top of the hill or on both sides of the river is described as. Correct answer for 43 is C, which is a linear village. Which of the following depicts urbanization trend in a typically less industrialized country? Correct answer for 44 is B, which is urbanization is a recent phenomenon. Which figure has accounted for the rapid rate of urbanization in Cameroon in recent years? Correct answer is B, which is creation of administrative units. Study figure 6, which shows the rank size rule. Identify the curve labeled Y. So the correct answer for 46 is C, which is stepped under order pattern. A major a mayor of a major urban center is confronted with rising rents, acute shortages of housing, overcrowding, and substandard houses. What major action will be adopted to remedy the situation? Correct answer for 47 is D, construction of low-cost houses. How could globalization be a threat to a man and his environment? Correct answer is D, the environment risk being polluted. Isolate the factor that has contributed most to globalization. Correct answer is C, which is rule of transnational corporations. 50. What has hindered CEMAC from fully accomplishing its initial objectives? Correct answer is D, lack of commitment. So that is it about GCE Advanced Level Geography 2022. So you can go through it, revise it, come back to it later, and have some preparations for your GCE that is coming ahead.